has it fallen into the predictable scenario of coups and a Republican government, or even worse, a dictatorship government. Although the Honourable Member has not mentioned this directly and has used safe words such as necessary to limit, if I may quote, the reality of the situation cannot be ignored and must be amended. The point would also achieve the opposite of its initial intention. In saying so, with this motion, all teenagers under the age of 18, whether they indulge in teenage prostitution or not, they will be affected and subjected to the law. And instead of controlling the issue, it would only aggravate both the teenage population who indulge in teenage prostitution and those who do not, in the sense that no one would want to suffer the consequence of another without being convicted of the crime worthy of the consequence. The point also stresses upon the sentence as mentioned in the motion, the sentence being unsupervised movement of children under the age of 18. This, however, is in violation of Section 21(3), which states that every citizen and every other person lawfully in Fiji has the right to move freely throughout Fiji and the right to leave Fiji. With all due respect, Madam Speaker,